So I can't really tell you what the vlog is gonna be today because it's kind of a strange day and I'm out of gas. So it's kind of a strange day. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen, what we're gonna do. Allie and Kara went to Cleveland with their friend so they can go to a festival. I'm going to meet family to eat and then probably going downtown, maybe do some Pokemon hunting, maybe catch something good, I don't know yet. So really today's just gonna be a wing it day, like, we don't have any structure today. So let's see what we end up doing. So I'm meeting the family at Zaxby's to eat. They're behind me. But I really thought I would walk over here to this Flicko's. It's a video service. If I don't get run over. It's a video service place. I want to check out and see what kind of stuff that they have. I've seen them over here for a while, but never actually been able to go in. So let's check it out. So let's check this place out. Are you closed? Nice guy. So he let me in, even though they were closed. They don't actually sell film equipment or anything. They actually go and record events and stuff, and you can buy DVDs from them after they've actually done it. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, nice guy. So decided to come downtown and walk around for a little bit before we go back home. It's such a beautiful day, it's hard to just sit in the house. So, been walking downtown for a little while now. Took over a few gyms, got in an argument with a few people who they beat our gym, and then I took it back immediately. You know how you throw your Pokemon in there before they can heal theirs back up. Oh, wow, is this older couple, probably in their 40s. They were mad. Man, they were mad. It's insane. But I was walking back here in this back corner next to the riverfront. I have to show y'all this. This is just amazing. Let's get past this giant leaf here. I don't know. There's a person. There's a person where we were trying to go. Okay, we'll have to come back. So today's really just turned into walking around with no rhyme or reason. Just walking around downtown Chattanooga playing Pokemon Go, and that's basically it. Waiting to hear from Allie to see when she's coming back from Cleveland. And other than that, I'm just hanging out, walking around. So looking for something to do. Okay. Here's just something I wanted to talk about. It could be completely irrelevant to this video whenever it comes to editing, but Pokemon Go, I cannot bring myself to use one of the blue incubators to hatch a 2K egg. Okay, so you have to buy the blue incubators or get them whenever you evolve. They give you one every now and then. I physically cannot make myself put a 2K egg in one of those. I only use it for 5 and 10K eggs. So I have like 4 2K eggs in my way right now that I can't do anything with because I will only use that one orange incubator that they give us. I wish that they would hurry up and hatch. So I've been riding my bicycle, skateboard, Fun fact, I used to work on that boat. Loved it every single day. But that's how I knew it was about to do that when I saw it coming underneath the bridge over there. I thought y'all might like that. So today has ended up being extremely odd, an extremely odd day. First, woke up in the morning, went for a 2-mile run, took about 15 minutes. Got home, took a shower, sat at the house and did nothing but clean. Got out, met the family to eat lunch. My daughter and fiance went up to Cleveland to go to a festival, which they're currently having fun at. And then I've been currently walking around downtown with nothing to do, waiting on a phone call from someone, and just trying to find something to do. So let's go check out the rock climbing place. So I was going to go inside and rock climb, but I looked in my bag in the car and I don't have any of my climbing equipment. So I'm just stuck watching today. Still a pretty cool place. I'll do a whole video on just this place. Oh, he's almost to the top. It's you. Anyways, High Point is one of my favorite things to do. I love going there. I love going there climbing. It is a blast. I'll do a whole video on that. So, since I ended up not having my climbing gear in the car, figured I'd walk down to the riverfront, get some shots of the water. I was on the other side of the river, now I'm on this side where the boat's parked and everything. So I'm gonna go down and check it out on Ross's Landing and see what I can get there. Now, I have been on and worked on a lot of boats in Chattanooga. This the Chattanooga Ducks is not one of them. I want to do it, just haven't had the time. But that is a World War II truck that can drive into the water and be a boat. They give a whole history tour, everything. It's amazing. I would love to do it. If you come to Chattanooga, give it a shot. That's where I'm going, Ross's Landing. So I had talked about and showed the boat doing the circle. So it can spin in almost a perfect rotation, not a donut. So that's the boat that I used to work on. I was there. Now I'm here where it actually docks. I want to just show you the sheer size of this boat. It's ridiculous. It holds 40 passengers. And go 50 miles an hour in the water. That, for a boat that size, is ridiculous. That is a fantastic job and a fantastic boat. It's the Tennessee River Gorge Explorer. It belongs to the Tennessee Aquarium, which is right there. Been to a lot of aquariums. That's probably the best aquarium that I've ever been inside. And I'm not just saying that because I work there. So this is something that's pretty cool that a lot of cities have, but ours most definitely does. And we actually have a few of them. We actually have a couple hills that are set aside solely for this, and kids love it. We bring our girl down here all the time. Check it out. It's literally just this little hill that the city set aside for box sliding. Companies put out cardboard boxes here and kids slide on them. And now if you haven't tried that, even at my age, I get down there and have a blast doing that. So something I love about this city is it's not that big of a city, but it gives you just about everything that you could want. From the riverfront to all the stuff to do in town, it's amazing. See now, like I was saying, I love this town. Look at this bridge. That's the walking bridge. All the time, every time you go across it, there's people hanging out on it. There's musicians playing instruments, playing tons of music. I'm talking from 6 in the morning to way on past midnight. There's always someone on the bridge, extremely talented, doing some kind of entertainment. If you didn't believe me about the truck that turns into a boat, there it is. They'll go up and down the river and then pull right back out on the road. So me and Nick are getting ready to bike over the next few weekends. We're gonna choose one. We're planning on biking from our college all the way to here in Chattanooga. So we're gonna go from Chattanooga State College all the way to the art district. I think it's roughly about 26 miles. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong on that. I'm pretty sure it's round about 26 miles of riverfront. So we're planning on biking it, getting a feel for the area, recording it, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna run it another weekend after that. Yeah, I'm really excited. But that is all building up to doing our second Spartan race. We've done a few Tough Mudders. Done one, me and Allie did one Spartan race. It was the beginning one. Got our medals. It's a blast. I'll be posting that video up on this channel. But cannot wait, more than ready for the second part of the 3 of the Spartan race. That is straight talent.
Thank you very much.
See, I told you, there's so much talent here, it's ridiculous. That was amazing. There's no way I could ever do that. So I'm coming down to the end of this side, and there's a person playing jazz.
Thank you.
I love the saxophone. He sounds pretty good too. So after that time lapse, it got really dark, so I think I'm gonna end it right here.